Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm going to unbox Home on the Range, the Blu-ray Disney movie. I've only heard bad things about this. I think a lot of people think this is one of the worst animated Disney movies ever made, but I want to check it out, and I got it as part of the Disney Movie Club introductory offer, so it was really cheap. I thought that was the right time to get it, but look forward to checking this out. This comes with the Blu-ray and DVD. Music and songs from the composer of Aladdin. Disc 1, bonus short, A Dairy Tale, The Three Little Pigs, deleted scenes, 4 deleted scenes with filmmaker intro, music video, Trailblazers, The Making of Home on the Range, Yodelmentary, wacky fundamentary that top lines the history of the yodel and ends with the yodel off from kids and adults around the world, Joe Corral, Herd of Jokes, deleted jokes, and much more. Disc 2, DVD, bonus short, I won't read them. Most of the same features on the Blu-ray, but this is region free, rated PG. The runtime is 76 minutes. Yeah, let's open it up. Definitely let me know what you think of this if you've seen it. Do you think it's one of the worst Disney movies ever? Or not? Looks like it's about some farm animals. There's a cow, a couple of cows, and a horse here. I don't know. I like Chicken Run. It's also about barnyard animals, so maybe I'll like this. I don't know. So inside, just have Disney movie rewards points, and here's the DVD disc. And the Blu-ray disc. No disc art. Alright guys. That's my unboxing for Home on the Range on Blu-ray. If you want to see my Disney Movie Club haul video, I just rejoined the Disney Movie Club and got 7 Blu-rays. If you want to check that video out, I'll leave an annotation. But thank you for watching, guys. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.